Our next child voice speaker is Rem. Wait. Yes. Rem is an 11-year-old Malaysian and Burmese student at Barinba East State School and lives with her mum, dad, and 3 other siblings. She is currently a class representative in the student leaders team at school and is very passionate about helping her school and community. Rem enjoys helping out her mother at home, and most of all, she loves playing volleyball and swimming. Before moving to Australia in 2015, her life was so much difficult for Rem. When her family first lived in Burma, they were chased out by police violence. They then moved to Malaysia, where Rem's mother and brother both required frequent medical assistance. Her dad had to work 3 jobs just to be able to afford food and living expenses. With support from her uncle, Rem's family was given the money to be able to move to Australia so that they could have a better life. Rem constantly experiences being stereotyped in her everyday life based on her gender, appearance, and nationality. At times, she feels like this limits her potential. This is from adults and students. Rem speaks passionately about this personal problem on behalf of all kids who might have the same feelings or experience the same things. Please give a warm welcome to Rem Sang-Pui. No?
Hi everyone, my name is Rem Sang-Pui. I am currently a Year 6 student at Barinba State School. Today I am here to talk to you about stereotyping. But first I would like to tell you a bit more about myself. I am an 11-year-old Malaysian and Burmese student. I moved to Australia in 2015 with my family, which consists of my mom, Hala, my father, Zwala, my brother, Michael, and my 2 younger sisters, Lala, Elijah, and Susan. I am currently a class representative in our school leaders team, which I'm very passionate about. This opportunity allows me to share my point of view and gives me a say on my behalf and my fellow students. As a member of this team, I get to be a part of making important decisions that affect our school and community. I really enjoy drawing, helping out my mother at home, and most of all, I love playing volleyball and swimming. As I mentioned before, I am Malaysian and Burmese. Before I moved to Australia with my family, life was much more difficult for us. When my family first lived in Burma, we had to make the difficult decision to move due to police violence. My parents had to make the difficult decision to move. As a family, we moved to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. While in Malaysia, my mother and brother both required frequent medical assistance. My dad had to work 3 jobs just to afford food and living expenses. That made sure us kids got educated. In the end, our uncle supported us to move to Australia so that we could have a better lifestyle. My uncle moved with us for a period of time to continue to support us. My experience before Australia helped shape the person I am today. I am very proud of my culture and wish I could share it with more people, which brings me back to the reason why I am up here talking to you today. In life, I am consistently grouped and stereotyped based on my gender, appearance, or my culture by my peers and by adults. Whether on purpose or not, I am consistently grouped with the girls when playing sports and not picked by my actual physical abilities. Students in my class once complained to the teacher that there was no way a girls' team could be winning in an OzTag game, and down to the fact many of the girls on my team were very good at following the rules of the game, working as a team, and not to mention were just as fast, if not faster, than the boys on the other team. But the other team and the teacher didn't see those things and just assumed that there was no way a team of girls could assumptions based on my looks without actually knowing my nationality. This can be hurtful even when it's just by accident. Adults make these assumptions too and don't understand when they upset me. Sometimes they even come from adults in my family. They tell me that I have all this cleaning to do, but they don't have the same expectations for my brother. People also assume because of my culture and gender that I must be good at cooking. But let me tell you, I am no chef. I don't even enjoy cooking. Students see that I'm different and can bully me because of that. Kids would make their eyes smaller to make fun of the shape of mine. Adults don't understand the difficulty at times, and we as kids would appreciate them taking the time to ask questions and to get to know us better instead of making hurtful, stereotypical assumptions and comments.